Wait, would you ever try oatmeal in your hair? I ask because I just tested an oatmeal hair treatment on my husband and I did not expect this result. So let's try it. You'll need oats and water. Simple, so simple. So we'll start with 1 cup of oats. I got my one from Tesco. It's very cheap, it was less than £1. And now we're going to add water. 2 cups of water. So for less than £1, you can make a hair treatment. While some of you eat oats for breakfast, others are putting oats on their hair. And to be honest, they might be onto something. Oatmeal is a hidden gem in hair care. It helps soothing your scalp, especially if it's dry or itchy. It works as a natural detangler, giving your hair that slip we are always looking for. It adds moisture, leaving your hair strands feeling hydrated and healthy. And the best part? That soft, smooth, natural shine it gives your hair. So if your hair has been feeling dry or hard to manage, this might be the simple treatment you didn't know you needed. The oatmeal gel is now ready, so let's strain it. You need to strain it while it is still hot. So let's see how that goes. I'm not sure how I'm going to strain this because this is hot, but let's see. You can strain the oatmeal hair treatment with your hands when the hair mask is cooler. Let's try the oat gel. I think I should have added more water. But let's see how this goes. The hair mask was very easy to apply to the hair, but next time I'll add more water and perhaps not letting cook for that long. After the hair mask, the hair felt smooth, soft, and the natural shine does not lie. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!